For our quick sword, I'll be using the 260 that I've inflated. Think of about a 1-inch tail on the end. Come back to our Nadia, and what we want to do is make a W. Using about 7 to 8 inches in each piece of the fold. And there's our W. And it's okay if this knot sticks out a little bit here on the nozzle end, because that's going to be your handle. So once you've got your W, then you want to fold it over in half so that you've got a quad there of 4. Now roll over to where you can see where this loop comes up on the back side, and you want to find the middle of that piece there. Grab it with one hand and pinch it down, and then take the other hand and just spin it all completely around, and you'll get 3 little petals. Bring the short nozzle end out on one side so that the remainder of it is sticking out the other side, and flatten those out, and you have a very quick and easy to do sword.